What's up, everybody? It's Friday. Hope everybody enjoyed themselves. So today I decided to do a completely random video. We got Todd explaining in the background, by the way. I'm gonna do a completely random video. Yeah, it's Friday, April 27th. It's the first time I'm gonna actually record something and post it on the same day. And I got a bunch of stuff cooking up in the kitchen. I'm gonna take you guys back there, show you what's going on. But for right now, I'm gonna get some time off my balcony and head to the kitchen. So this should be enough. Yeah? Alright, let's head to the kitchen. Alright, so back in the kitchen now. I got the thyme, some onion, got some carrot, some scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, potato, onion, and some curry powder. So you know, once you have curry powder, you know what we're doing already. We're going to be making some curry chicken. You see it? I mean, I already have the Dutch pot going. You know, breakfast time to so have some plantain porridge going on. Don't worry about the plantain porridge. I have the condensed milk for the plantain porridge too. So what I'm gonna do now, got the wooden spoon. Yeah man, fire hot. So you're gonna add the curry. I'll kind of toast the curry a little bit in the oil, you know. Some people say burn the curry, but I don't really burn my food, so some say toast. I'm gonna toast the curry a little. Yeah. So the curry get nice and toasted. We're gonna add the onions. So the onions can let go some water in it, you know, some flavor. Remember the first video I ever put on YouTube, man, it was curry chicken. Yeah? I may never do another curry chicken after that, but I'm gonna do some more today. Add some more oil to it. Okay. I don't know if people are gonna be like, yo, I don't say you cook curry chicken, I don't say you cook curry chicken. Man, listen, man, everybody do them thing their own way. You understand me? Alright. But see them thing, you know? So we're gonna leave this for later on. We're gonna flavor up the pot. But right now, we're gonna get the chicken in. So the chicken already seasoned up. Chicken already seasoned up with the Chef Jahba seasoning and some curry seasoning. So literally, I'm gonna just let it sit in there. Just let it sit. You know what I mean? Soon cover it and thing, but we just make it build up a little crust. You know what I mean? Fond. We're gonna create some fond on the bottom of the pan and keep making the curry chicken. So if you ever wonder what I got in my plantain porridge, just blend some plantain, some almond milk, cinnamon, some chopped up nutmegs. Not chopped nutmegs, grated nutmeg. Yeah. And this is gonna be breakfast for me. You know what I mean? So you gotta add some what's something your name? Condensed milk. It's so different when I'm not planning what to say. So I don't know. Let me see how this random YouTube thing go. Let's add some condensed milk, sweeten it up a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna stir that in. Alright, so this video isn't really about the plantain porridge, but I just have to show you, you know, because I'm gonna eat this right now. But a lot of Jamaicans in culinary might know Edda Little White. She taught me this trick. Rest in peace. Butter. You see, right when the plantain porridge is done, you wanna add a little butter to it, about a tablespoon, and work that in. I know a lot of people might be like, oh no, but listen, man, she taught it to me, and ever since then, man, I've been addicted. You need a little bit of butter right at the finish of your plantain porridge. So my plantain porridge done right now, you know. Smell good, you see? And by the way, if you want to know how to make this plantain porridge, I already have a recipe. You can go check it out. I might put like a link up top real quick. You just click on that. But curry chicken still a bubble. You know what I mean? Alright. So the plantain porridge done now. I already have a little bowl ready. Boom. Breakfast is served. Is it? Yeah, man. So now the focus back to the curry chicken. I'm going to cook down the curry chicken. So now I add a little water to it. Once I add a little water now I go ahead and just put in the thyme. The whole thing just make it bury in there and kind of flavor it up, And now we can go ahead. See this? No, not the onion. This, very important. Mucho importante. See? You want to put that right in there, but see the stem? The stem busting, man. That got hot. So just put it in there and make it go on easy down. You see it? I'm go over also for the Dutch pot cover. Boom, Dutch pot cover. We turn it down a little bit higher than medium, make it simmer. You see? Who wants some plantain porridge? Anyway, I'm gonna eat this and I'm gonna come back to you guys in a few. Alright. So yeah, man, cook down and know one thing. So what I'm gonna do now is take out this pepper. But we're gonna put it back. I just don't want the pepper to pop so that it become too spicy. You understand? So this almost finished. So what I'm gonna do now, add the onions. So you see onions, we have some Irish potato, that's what we call it in Jamaica. But this is Idaho potatoes, right? Some scallion and some carrot. I just flavor up the pot now. Is it? Yeah. Make sure say you add some salt and some pepper to it, some black pepper. Just flavor it up. Because I don't want to tell you how much pepper to add to your food or how much salt to add to your food, and you quote me and say, yo, Chef Jahba, so the food's salty, or so the food not salty enough. I don't want to be responsible for that part there. I'm only responsible for the flavor. So see it now, just add that and we're going to make that cook down. And curry chicken soon done. Whoa. Yeah, man. Pot done bubbling now. Time for full joy ourselves in the food, you know what I mean? Hope you enjoy this vlog. This how-to video. I don't know what to call it. But yeah, man. Curry chicken shelly. Yeah, man. Get the plate up now, See it? I just drop some thyme leaf right on the top. Boom. Curry chicken in the morning. Is it? Yeah, man. So I don't know how I can go and try it. So I'm about to like a try, Make sure say it passed the quality test. It passed the quality check. So you want every little thing. You want the potato, piece of carrot and piece of chicken, and dip it in the gravy. Is it? Whoa! What a food nice, man. Curry chicken. Yeah, man, hope you liked the video a while ago, Right now, I'm just done eat some food. By the way, the plantain porridge is shot. It did good, nah lie. So anyway, mechanics are playing now and I want to sleep, so thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, share up the thing, make your friend them know about it, you know what I mean? Chef Jahba, out.